Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Chow, Dr. Eric Chow. Today, I would like to talk about the programming skill and computer science knowledge that required or needed for high school students. First, what I would like to say is the current status of the computer science education in the United States. There are only 57% of the high school in the United States that offer computer science education, providing some course to the high school student. Some of them just provide introductory computer science course. Some of them provide one AP course. Some of them provide two AP course, AP Computer Science and AP Computer Science Principle. And some of the more competitive high school offer also data structure and discrete math in the high school level. But this actually is not really very equal for different location, different region, and different community for the high school student. So basically, there are many states has the computer science education standard, but many states doesn't even have one. So what I want to do is actually providing a online education opportunity for the students who don't have a proper or complete computer science education at high school level, so that these students can use our curriculum to do self-study and then move on to college to become a computer science major. So what are the skills that you need to pick up in the high school, including the problem-solving skill, project building skill, web design skill, data science or data visualization skill, and data structure and algorithm skills, and the machine learning skill. These are the fundamental skills that usually a computer scientist need to build up in their early days. So the problem-solving skills, usually you take the competitive programming, and then usually you may use a C++ or Java language for the problem-solving part. And then project building, you need to have a large user interface library and also the backend data structure and backend database and network programming capability. So Java is a language that been used for the website programming for a long time. So we will teach Java. And then also front-end website design, you need to learn HTML, C++, and JavaScript. That's for the web design. And then for the database and data visualization, Python is a program language. And then also the data structure and the algorithm. This is for competitive programming and also problem solving. Usually, this is very important. It can be taught by Java, C++, or Python. And then finally, the machine learning or data analysis part that actually I encourage students to go through the hackathon competitions and also pick out the math and the programming skill that required for the machine learning and AI. And this portion, usually high school can only do very basic part, but it's okay. I encourage students to get exposed to computer science and machine learning AI in the early day. Okay, so the goal of high school computer education is, number one, build up the basic programming skills for high school students. This is actually very important nowadays, not only for computer science major students, but also for the general education students. No matter it's the later in science college or whatever major. Okay, and usually if you are not a computer science major or not STEM majored, then you just need to learn probably only Python or JavaScript. That's actually will be enough for you to develop your capability in business school or in a law school or in liberal arts education, liberal art colleges. And then if you are preparing for the computer science major, then you probably will need all the capability that we mentioned right here. So our purpose is to design a curriculum to support students to get prepared for college computer science programs, and also prepare the student and training them to get involved in computer competition, programming competitions, club, dual enrollment courses in a community college or university, and participate in the science fair or research. So here are the typical computer science education that provided by high school. So some high school provide an introduction to computer science course, and this one usually is using Java or using Python. And then the second course is AP Computer Science Principle. This one usually need to develop an app. So you can start from this without taking the introduction to computer science. Either way, some school require you to take an introduction to computer science. And these two courses, I suggest to have at least the algebra 1 or finish the geometry. And then a second year course usually is AP ComSci A. This one will be teaching you problem solving and some basic algorithms. And there may be another year of course that teaching the computer science AB that involve the data structure, or they might be a separate data structure course. And these two courses, I would suggest you to have at least the algebra 2, but algebra 1 will be enough if you are good at the math. So these are the courses sequence that you typically offered by high school. But many high school only provide one AP concept principle, or AP ComSci A, or some school provide two of them. Some school actually also have the data structure course. So the educational resource at different high school and different region of the country is totally different. So it's actually very hard to predict whether your high school provides some course or not. So you have to check with your school district to figure out what are available in your high school. Okay, so for us, we provide 3-year curriculum. First year, you can take either computer science principle or taking AP computer science A, okay, either one. You can take AP computer science A first and then go to AP computer science. You can take the AP computer science principle first and then go to AP computer science A, or the other way, you take AP computer science A first and then take AP computer science principle. There's no requirement of one behind the other, no. So AP concept principle, as I say, is actually teaching the basic principles of the computer science. So it's a broader knowledge of the computer science, and not probably only 50% of it is on the programming. So we teach Python in the summer, and then web design in the fall. And then in spring, we teach the study material for AP Computer Science Principle course. And this AP Computer Science Principle course in the whole United States has 50 teaching standards by the College Board. If you actually look at it, they have 15 different curriculum available. So there's no real good one because everyone has some drawback. For me, I designed my own curriculum. So we include the summer data science by Python, and then fall web design by JavaScript and HTML. So this develop your requirement in the web design and the data visualization, and build up the foundation for machine learning later. So that's the purpose of the AP Computer Science Principle. And in spring, we look at the study material for the AP Comsci principle, teaching you the fundamental principle in software, hardware, math, and also the networking and database, different aspect of the computer science. And then AP Computer Science A, we provide 1 year curriculum in this as well. This one is focused on problem solving and algorithms. So in the summer, we teach you Java once for the introduction to computer science using Java. We call it pre-AP Java. This one usually is 8 to 12 week of course. And in the fall, starting maybe September every year, we teach you first semester of the AP Comsci A, and then second semester that will be in fall and spring. And then we follow by a AP Comsci A review course. And then after that, we may teach 3-5 week of the Java 3. And then this is 1 year of the AP Comsci A. The Java 3 actually is on data structure. Okay, it's on data structure. So it's not part of AP Comsci A test. It was in the AP Comsci AB curriculum before, but AP Computer Science AB exam was removed in 2009. Okay, so this one no longer there, but it's still required when you use the Java for the competitive programming, especially in user code, the USA Computing Olympia. Okay, so this is a second year curriculum. AP Comsci P or AP Comsci A, you take it in which one first? It doesn't matter because principle is focused on web design and data science, and A is focused on the problem solving, big project building, and also for the algorithms. And third year, usually, third year or second year, sometimes some students are smarter, we allow them to take it in second year, is the C plus curriculum. This one, C language, we talk about it because we need to teach students for the hardware programming requirement. This usually we just teach it for 8 weeks. And then we have C +1, that's on the basic programming skills for C language. And then C +2, this is one is on object-oriented programming. And CS45, the C +3, that's actually on data structure. So these two, Java 3 and C +3, they are similar course. They are similar course. And then in the summer, we may have students to get started for USA Computing Olympia competition course. And it may be a simple course or maybe integrated with C++, depending on the student's enrollment status and our time at that year. So these are the curriculum that we offered. So in summary, the AP Comsci is a principal course. We teach the Python 1 and JavaScript. This one can satisfy the Berkeley CS10 requirement and will help the, this one is CS10, you will help data 8. The data science fundamental as well, and also will help CS100 for the data science fundamentals, okay? And then you will be connected to Berkeley CS61A, that's teaching Python 3 and 4 for college study. And then for the AP Comsci A, we teach Java 1 and 2. And then we teach a little bit of the Java 3, that's in data structure and algorithm part. And you need that, you need a Java 3 level, and you also need to be able to build a large project in order to survive in the Berkeley CS61B. And then C course, the C portion will support the C and assembly course in CS61C. And this ABC course, these three courses are the fundamental programming courses in UC Berkeley. So our courses are designed to support Berkeley's lower division in computer science. And then CC level plus the data structure part and algorithm part will support the C level plus algorithm that's in upper division of the UC Berkeley. Okay, so basically our curriculum trying to fulfill the requirement for the college education. And machine learning part, we actually will help students to do data science, math for machine learning, and also some statistics courses to help students to get involved the research and science fair in high school. So, okay, so if you did not, if you go to UC Irvine, then they have 1 year Python CS 31, 32, 33. That's 1 year curriculum. Okay. They will start from Python 1. So basically a little bit easier compared to Berkeley. And then they have CS 45J for Java. This one is an elective course, not a required course. And then they have CS 45C. This one is teaching C++ 2. And also CS 46, that's teaching C++ 3. Okay, and they have a separate algorithm course as well. So basically, this standard will also support your activity in other university if you are not in Berkeley. Okay, this one will tell you when you build up the 4 programming language foundation in high school, then you can go for user code training or data structure and algorithm and discrete math to go on to do problem solving, and then later for internship preparation. And then if you take web design and Python, you can go on to learn data science, machine learning, neural network, and the math package in order to compete in hackathon. At the same time, you also need to pick up SQL, backend design, and web framework that will help you to go into web competition and hackathon. And then after you have the skill for develop a big project, then you will go on to do research or try to get into the science fair. And you may also integrate your research capability and the coding capability, and then move on to pursue entrepreneurship. So this one tell you how our curriculum can help you to build up your own skill in high school and prepare yourself for college. Okay, right here also show you the extracurricular activity that you can do, starting from introduction of computer science, and then the 3 programming years, and then user code, and then a competitive competition in AI or math competition, or craft activities, and then entrepreneurship or research, okay, or online courses, and hackathon or hosting hackathon activities. So this tell you how we use our curriculum to help students to build up their computer science experience in high school. And if you have questions, you can contact me. I will provide more information. Okay, today we are up to here. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye.